Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional mechanic needs: the best small socket wrench set on the market. This versatile toolkit isn't just any ordinary set of wrenches. It's meticulously designed for precision, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential companion for tackling various projects. Stick around as we uncover what makes this small socket wrench set stand out from the rest. Let's start by highlighting its key features. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, each socket is built to withstand rigorous use without compromising on performance. The set includes a comprehensive range of metric sizes, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, assembling furniture, or fine-tuning machinery, these wrenches deliver the perfect balance of strength and precision. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use, while the quick-release mechanism allows for seamless socket changes. Now, let's talk durability. The sockets are coated with a corrosion-resistant finish, extending their lifespan and ensuring they remain in peak condition even in challenging environments. Each socket is clearly labeled for easy identification, saving you time and frustration during your projects. Plus, the compact carrying case keeps everything organized and portable, ideal for both on-the-go professionals and home workshop enthusiasts alike. It's designed to withstand rough handling and keeps your tools secure and ready whenever duty calls. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best small socket wrench set that combines durability, precision, and ease of use, look no further. This toolkit is a game-changer, designed to exceed your expectations and withstand the test of time. That wraps up our review of the best small socket wrench set available today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy wrenching!